What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Smitty, and if you are new here, we do truck videos, travel videos, and any other thing. So if you stick around, there'll probably be something on my channel that you like. This video is a little different. I actually need your help. No, I don't need money. No, this isn't clickbait, as you can see from the title of this video. I actually need your help. A lot of y'all may not like my decision about what I'm about to tell you, but I got rid of my 4Runner. My 4Runner is gone. It was about to hit 125,000 miles, so I wanted to get the most value out of my money as I could. So I'm at this dilemma. It is a little chilly out here, and it is windy, so if you hear the wind, I apologize. And my ears are big, so I'm trying to cover them up, keep them warm. That's the first thing that gets cold on me, is my ears. Anyways, so my dilemma is, I bought a car to replace the 4Runner. I found another car to replace that car, but now I like both of them and I cannot decide. If you know somebody that has one of these cars, or if you've had one of these cars yourself, please give me advice on which one I should keep, which one I should get rid of. I'll briefly go over each one, and yeah, I need help deciding on which car I should keep. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so the dramatic reveal. Over here, we got a 2021 RAV4, and over here, we got a 2012 RAV4. Let's go in a little bit more detail on these cars. All right, so you may be wondering why I decided to get rid of my 4Runner. Well, my 4Runner was starting to get higher miles, and I plan to do a lot of traveling in the next coming months. I'm actually going to get out of the military and do a lot of traveling and then live extensively on the road wherever I am. I decided to choose a RAV4 because the RAV4s are somewhat reliable, somewhat off-road capable. No, not off-road capable like the 4Runner was, but they can handle their own. Why did I choose these two models? Well, the first gen and second gen, let me back up a little bit. So the RAV4 came out in the 90s, and it had incredible success. There's 5 generations of RAV4 out there. This is the most current, in 2019 to 2021, well, 22 now. The 2012 over here is the 3rd generation. It was made from 2007 to 2012, and this actually has the highest reviews from the 3rd generation. And obviously the 5th gen doesn't have great reviews because of a lot of the recalls that it had on it, and fuel pump and transmission, and you can Google that. I'm not going to get into that in detail. Everybody likes new, so let's go ahead and dive into that. All right, so this is the 2021. I bought it brand new off the lot. It had 50 miles on it because somebody bought it and didn't like the style of it. They wanted an upgraded trim. This is the lowest trim of the LE. There's 5 different trim levels, and I don't care for all that technology stuff, so the LE is great for me. The previous owner had it for one day, drove it around, and brought it right back, so that's why I got this. If I decided to keep this one, I would owe a little bit of money on it, so I'd be living on the road and paying car payment. All right, so here's the 2012. It's a used car. It has 60,000 miles, which is relatively low for these RAV4s. It has great success throughout the years, and it's still on the road and very strong today. This is the last model of the 3rd gen, but after 2012 and 2013, it bounced into the 4th generation. They redesigned it. I'll put a picture of it right here. Overall, they're great RAV4s. All right, so now that you saw a quick walk around of the 2021 RAV4 and the 2012 RAV4, I would really appreciate it if down in the comments you put 2021 or 2012 or 2021 RAV4, 2012 RAV4. Just give me a number and whatever else you want to put in the comment, that's fine. Keep it professional, people. PG-13. As always, thanks for watching. If you could, hit that subscribe button right down below and become part of our squad. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.